Hi Sunraes, it's Serena Rae, and in today's video I am taking you to the JW Marriott here in Bonnet Creek. Now I am super excited to give you guys not only a resort tour, but I'm giving you a room tour, and the room we are going to be touring is the Disney Springs view room with the one king size bed. Now if you are new to my channel, please make sure you're hitting that like button on the way in, as well as the subscribe button, because those are two free ways you can support the channel and you are making sure you miss none of our adventures. Now, without further ado, I'm going to get to the video after a word from our sponsors.
Now, I often get the question, what's the best way someone can support your channel? My answer is simple. Join my Patreon. For as low as $3 a month, you can help fund informative yet entertaining videos and streams. Patreon allows me to do things like stay at the JW Marriott or try the latest restaurant on Walt Disney World property. The choices are endless, but I need your help to do these things. So please join Patreon today to help fund future travel content. When you first arrive to the JW Marriott, you will be greeted by a breathtaking view of the hotel. Before walking inside, I do want to highlight this hotel is dog friendly and has a pet relief area right out front. Now we will head inside. When you enter through the bottom level, you will see a lobby that has elevators to take you to and from the main garage and the main lobby level. You will also have the choice to use escalators as well. These escalators have sensors that increase in speed when you walk in front of it. Once you reach the main level, you will then see a CVS kiosk that's open 24 hours and the Spa Boutique. The Spa Boutique has temporarily closed during my stay. In order to shop the merchandise, you would have to visit the third floor spa to make a shopping reservation. This essentially gives you a private shopping experience. There are a set of elevators called express elevators located right next to the Spa Boutique and across from a spacious seating area. These elevators take you to the spa, the fitness center, as well as the rooftop bar. If you continue to walk straight, you will see the JW Market. This market area has several unique items that are branded after the resort. These items make fantastic gifts. First item I noticed were handcrafted cutting boards. There are a variety of sizes. Next, there are a variety of chocolates as well as candles. There's ice cream you can enjoy in your room. And lastly, there's essential oils, fabric tote bags with the hotel's name, specialty chocolate as well. There was a nice variety of specialty items, standard everyday snacks, as well as some health-conscious offerings as well. And I was able to leave with a yummy vanilla latte. Now I am going to highlight the business center that is next door to the JW Market. You can make photocopies, print documents, and use the computer for all of your business needs. There are also 18 meeting rooms that are not videoed. Signage does remind guests staying at the resort of the mask policy. Masks are currently optional for vaccinated guests, and masks are required for unvaccinated. As we continue to explore the lobby, we will head towards the bar. This is where I redeemed my complimentary champagne. I was given 2 vouchers after check-in from the front desk. The bar is very lively at night and near the Sear and Sea wood fire grill. The menu at this restaurant is amazing and on my list of restaurants to try during my next visit. Finally, we are near the front desk. This is the area you will go to check in. Front desk is open 24 hours a day. The whole main lobby is quiet and spacious. A place that is equally spacious and beautiful and quiet is the outdoor balcony and pool area. There are 2 outdoor pools on the property. This pool, however, has a ramp to walk into the beautiful waters as well as a poolside bar. The outdoor balcony has several tables and couches for guests to relax with their beverage in hand or even their work in hand. And the sight is breathtaking.
Now Sunraes, let's get to the room tour. Sunraes, one of the first things you have when you walk in is your closet. I know you guys seen this in my live stream, but I wanted to give you a detailed video about what you can expect when you are coming to the JW Marriott at Bonnet Creek. So we have our extra blankets at the very top with a pillow. I love walking into the room and seeing there was a JW Marriott robe waiting for me. I also noticed the iron and the ironing board was right over there. And they also have a blow dryer, which you can't find a lot of at resorts. They have crummy ones. Let's see what kind of blow dryer they have. Ooh, a Conair. Fancy, fancy. I like Conair. They also have a safe that is located in this closet area, as well as drawers for you to put your clothes so you can feel a little bit at home. And then at the very bottom is where you can keep your shoes. So when we're moving away from the closet, and hold on, did I mention the lights come on and off? Like they're like automatic lights. The lighting in here is really, really pretty. So when you move over to the little kitchen area, we have a nice little coffee maker by Illy, and then they also have some complimentary coffee here waiting for you. They have 2 cups. They also have tea, creamer, and sugar. And I love how nicely hidden, if you come a little bit over here so you can see the refrigerator, how nicely hidden the fridge is. You would have thought this was just an extra cabinet. And this, I believe, is just where they keep the air condition, which also super nice because it just, everything blends in. You have the same paneling all over, but now that we've seen this little hallway area, let's walk a little bit further so we can see where the bed is. Now, one of my favorite parts about this room is the view. Now, I asked for a Disney Springs view and it delivered. I want you to see. Oh my goodness, this is heavier than expected. I want you to see the amazing view you get of Disney Springs. And you are right next to the I-4, but you hear nothing. It is very, very peaceful sleeping here, but you can see Circus LA. You can see the characters in flight area right over there. You can also, if you look good enough, you can see SeaWorld all the way over there. And you know what? SeaWorld does fireworks on the weekends depending on what kind of festival they are hosting. So you even get like a little fireworks show if you are here at the right time. But the view of Disney Springs is amazing. And you also see, pretty sure that is Team Disney. So you get a nice view. You get a very, very nice view of, oh, I see the icons. Oh my goodness, all the way over there on International Drive. You also see the humongous Ferris wheel. So that's also something cool that I just realized I can see all the way from this room. And in this room, you can see where you can play the little putt-putt golf, and you can do that by reservation. So I love that the thermostat is digital, so you can adjust the temperature if you want it a little warmer, or if you want it a little cooler. You have this to help you throughout the night, and it's super convenient, and I can control the flow of the air. I can put it in Fahrenheit or Celsius, and I really haven't seen it at any of the resorts I've stayed at so far. So this is really, really nice to know. Now, Sunraes, you are probably wondering, where is the restroom? Now, the restroom is right across from where you have your refrigerator as well as your coffee machine. So let's step in here and see how beautiful it is. Come on, Sunraes. I love that this bathroom has a tub as well as a shower, and I love, you're gonna see, how the toilet is hidden behind this door. It makes me feel like I'm at a spa, An additional robe was included right in the bathroom, so as soon as you get in the shower, you can change it to a robe. In this shower, I took a shower this morning, and it was amazing. It was amazing. And it's so spacious, as you can see. How spacious the shower is. All right, so I am about to step inside the shower so you guys can get a feel of how big the shower is. Like I'm standing in the corner and you see all this space. Now what I love is that you can switch between this shower attachment and that shower head. You are going to use this while it's turned off to switch between the two. This controls the shower head and this controls the temperature. Now another thing that I love that they included was some cute little body wash. They had conditioner as well as shampoo. So that was complimentary, and then you have your standard bars of soap. And I must say, I love that I go in here in the shower. It was amazing. The best shower head I've ever experienced. Okay, now that I've stepped outside of the shower, I'm just gonna show you how pretty the countertop is. They do have an additional mirror. This is a magnifying mirror, so you can really look inside your pores. They also had another bar of soap out here, as well as some lotion, which I used it. They also have, oh wait, I've never opened this. I actually never opened this. They have a vanity kit. What was I doing? They have a shower cap. Oh, look at this. I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. So this is included in your room. I did not know that was in there. I really did not explore that. So it's nice to know. And I really love how lit up the mirror is. It gives you the best lighting. And it's really amazing if you want to put on makeup, which I don't have any on, but I wish I brought some because this is amazing lighting. Oh my goodness. It really is. And right down below is where you will have your towels. Now there was a set of 4 towels, 2 was used, and then they have a little towel right there, and then it's your trash can. But I want to know if we can open this. Is this a drawer? No, it doesn't look like, it's not a drawer. It's not a drawer. Okay, I just have to try everything, you know? I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the whole look. You can see how huge this mirror is. But now that we're done with the bathroom, let's go back out and talk a little bit more about the resort.
The bedroom is one of my favorite rooms. Not only is there a spacious bed, the couch does also turn into an additional bed. And I do have to give a shout out to the mattress because it is a Sealy and it was amazing. There's a table with 2 chairs that allows for work to be done inside the room and a place to dine. I was greeted with 2 bottles of water and an ice bucket for my enjoyment, and the light controls near the bed were amazing. They're located right next to the phone where you can call for room service or the front desk. There was a door hanger on the bed for me to schedule my breakfast order in the morning, which I thought was super convenient. Especially if you are busy going to the parks and you just got back home late, you can already have your breakfast scheduled each and every morning with a small additional fee. Finally, I want to highlight the smart TV. I was able to watch my favorite YouTube videos on the television screen, and they had options to utilize streaming services such as Netflix or Hulu, which I thought was very convenient and gave a wide variety for entertainment when you're back inside your room.
All right, my overall review of this room, Sunraes, is that it is a 10 out of 10. first thing is the bed was amazing. I slept like a baby and I did not want to wake up to finish the last half of that 24-hour live stream. Number two, the technology in this room is up to date. I love the TV and that it was a smart TV, so I can easily type in Serena Rae and watch all my past videos. I also loved the shower and how spacious it was, and I also love that you're able to order breakfast to your room and set a scheduled time, and you get a complimentary checkout of noon instead of 11 a.m.